Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway. Today's date is Wednesday, January 7th, 2015. I wanted to go over here what I thought was very important, which is a potential change in character in oil. Now, it's on a very micro scale on the intraday, but I want to show you this because I think, again, we have to start looking for where we get those key signals that oil is going to have a bounce. And again, a bounce back to $60 to $65 per barrel, which is what I see, which would be around $25, $24 to $25 on the USO. All right, now, what I want to show you here is very important. So oil was trading up today. There's nothing big about that. We've seen that in the last couple weeks. We've seen a little upside before it started to sell. Then it came in and inventories were reported, and it dumped out big. Now, that's something we're used to seeing, right? We're used to seeing oil dump out big, and then even if it gets a bounce, it consolidates and then breaks down further. What noted here, what got my attention, was that we actually got back above. So see when you consolidated here off the down move, we're staying below the moving averages. But notice here you broke to the upside. You're fighting back up, and we're not that far away from the highs of the day. But more than anything, the fact that we closed above the moving averages here and are continuing to see follow through on this candle. That to me tells me that, again, normally if we go back 2 days, 5 days ago, 10 days ago in oil, you would have seen this bearish pattern of consolidation and we would have broken lower. That didn't happen today. That's the change in character I'm isolating here and bringing to your attention. That gets my attention. All right, now again, it's not an end-all be-all. What we need to see is we want to see oil trade back to the highs of the day here and close really close to the highs, if not above the highs. If that can happen, then that's a definitive signal that there is a change in character in oil here. And again, I would expect that to mean the bottom is in. All right, now long term, I don't know, but I'm just talking short term for the next month or 2 months. I've been calling for a January bounce, and I believe we will still get it. But again, this change in character is getting my attention. I want it to get your attention too. You have to look for these things. Let me go over it one more time. Early upside today, who cares? That's normal. We've seen bounces in crude before more selling has come in. We saw the selling come in on a wide range bar on heavy volume. Then you saw a small bounce back in consolidation. That's normal. That's bearish consolidation. But this is where the change in character has occurred or is beginning to occur. This is where we broke above and we're now negating the bearish pattern as we're breaking above the moving averages. And again, what we're looking for is, do we get back to the highs of the day? Do we close up there? Do we close at a new high of the day? Watch this, guys. This could be major. And why is it major? Well, ultimately because there's huge money to be made here. If you're right and you can pick the bottom on oil here, I mean, when it snaps back, you're going to see a 15, 20, 30% gain on the USO. You're going to see on stocks like Halliburton and SDRL and RIG and all these other Schlumberger, you're going to see 10, 15, 20% gains on those stocks. So if you can isolate it down, you can make a lot of money here, guys. All right, come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. I'm putting out new oil plays as we speak. Get involved here, guys. It's here for the taking. Take care.